Hey YouTube, Train Cipher, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the basics in a Bukkit plugin. So how to make a Bukkit plugin, the very basic. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is when you're in Eclipse, you want to go to new Java project, and then I don't know, call it what you want. I'll call it YouTube tutorial. Oh, that's already taken. And then go right click it, go to properties, Java build path, click libraries, add external jars, and import Bukkit. I'll have a link in the description to get Bukkit. Now once you're there, on source, you're gonna wanna, crap, can you guys hear me? I think you can. Alright, so on source, new package, me.saintcipher. And then let's make our main class main. So you just click that class button on the package and you rename it to main. Now we want to extend the Java plugin, import it, and now let's make our on enable, because we're going to need that. And void on enable, and we're going to need that. Actually, we don't need it yet, but so okay. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make, I guess, another class, call it commands. We're going to implement command executor. Alright, implements. Now what we're making another command for is, this is going to be the class that holds all the commands, and the main class is what's going to register this class in. But I'll show you that after. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do private main plugin, so we can connect with the main class, public, then your class name, so commands, and then main plugin, and then this.plugin equals plugin. Now we're currently connected with the main class. So in here we're going to do register we're going to make a new method, public void register commands. And what this is going to do is, actually I think it's get command. Yeah. What this does is, actually we don't know yet what we're going to do, but what this is going to do is we're going to also make a put on enable. So what this is going to do is when the plugin's enabled, it's going to register commands, and then everything in these two brackets, it'll run the code in between. So when it's on enabled, it's going to run this, which is this. Alright, now let's make our command, our on command boolean. So public boolean on command sender command sender command cmd string label string args. Oh yeah, you want to import the goods from there, import that, and then you're gonna have to return this to false. Yep, there we go, return false. Now we'll make a command that says, I guess we'll do basic. So if label equals ignore case, and this is the string that we chose, so label equals ignore case me. So if they do /me and it equals ignore case, so that means it can be me or me or me, and it'll, or me, and it'll still run it because it's equaling, it's just ignoring what it is, the case. And then we're gonna do up here if sender, so if sender instance of player. So if this means that it's not. So if the sender isn't a player, what it's going to do is it's going to tell them that they have to be a player. So this is, you must be a player. player to do this. And what it's going to do is what this basically does, and chat color, you can choose any color, so you can do blue, you can do any one. But what this is going to do is it's going to tell console that they have to be a player if they run this command if in console. And then we're going to return true, which basically what returning true is, it's a boolean and it returns it to true and it stops it from reading any code below it, which is this is. So now we're going to define the sender as a player. So player P, you can call it whatever you want. I'm choosing P because it's easier. Equals brackets player sender. Alright, so if label.equals ignore case me. Now we grab this variable which we define as P and say p.send message, I guess. Now you can make it whatever you want. You can do no color or you can do chat color dot aqua. My name is Saint Cypher and this is a Bukkit tutorial. And then let's give them an item too. Get inventory.add item, new item stack, material.anvil. And that will basically just give them an anvil when they run the command me. Now what we're going to want to do is in the main class, in the register commands, sorry about that, that's my brother, get command, me, and then we want to set the executor, new commands, and then this. Probably going to need to import commands. Seems that it's not. Alright, I guess that's it. And now what we're going to want to do to make this plugin run is make a plugin.yml. So plugin.yml. And let's open this up with Eclipse. And then I'll register the main class. So main.me.saintcypher.main. That's what we called it. We want to name the plugin, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to call it YouTube. Author. Saint Cypher. Version 1.0. Description. Plugin. Or YouTube. And then commands. 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. The command. 1, 2, 3, 4. This command is for me, I don't know. Alright, I'm back, sorry. Now you want to do commands, 4 spaces, me, 4 spaces, description, and then description. Alright, so now we've done this. Now let's export it. You right click it, export it where you want. Do all the goods. I'm just going to call it skit. Alright. Connect to localhost and let's see if this works. So if you do /pl, it says YouTube, version YouTube, plugin for YouTube, version 1.0, author Saint Cypher, do /me. My name is Saint Cypher and this is a Bukkit tutorial, and you get an anvil. Do it again, another anvil. That's basically it. See you next time.